nothing like living a simple life, something out those aches and pains.
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Today I will be assembling this cool new metal cabinet I got from Vevor. I'm going to be putting it over here on the wall right where my ladder is. I don't think you can see that in the camera yet, but I needed a place to store chemicals and some other stuff up here. And a nice metal steel cabinet, you know, locking, which this comes with locks, is exactly what I needed. Now, I've got everything laid out. There was a little bit of damage in shipping, which is so unfortunate because it was actually packed fairly well. They have some metal pieces that are kind of throwaway pieces. They absorbed most of the damage, but I did catch one little piece of damage on one of the doors and one little piece of damage on one of the drawers. So I hope that I'm able to still use all the pieces the way they're meant to be. They don't look too bad. The door looks a little better than the drawer, but we're going to put it all together. Rather than make this a 45-minute video, I've laid everything out. I'm going to hit the old fast forward button. I'm going to go ahead and assemble it, and then we'll do a quick review. Let's do it.
Nothing like living a simple life, something out those aches and pains from working on the farm. Even though the work is hard, at the end of the day, feeling like a country star, smoking a cheap cigar. There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet, liberty sows its seed at Farpoint Farms. I'm coming in loud and clear, might hear me on the radio. Breaker, breaker, 19, anybody got their ears on? The man on the other end, from miles away, new friends were made, had words to say. Nothing but respect for you, we'll never tread on you at Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet, liberty sows its seed at Farpoint Farms. Something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet, liberty sows its seed at Farpoint Farms.
All right, well, here it is. There's not much to it, but nice steel cabinet. Now, it does come with screws to mount it to the wall. You're going to want to brace that, but I'm not so sure this is where I'm going to keep it. In fact, I think it'll probably be down there, but we're still working on the building at this point. But yeah, it's lockable, comes with 2 keys. Opens up, 5 shelves, adjustable. You can see the spot there and there where you attach it to the wall so it doesn't come crumbling down. Not hard to assemble. Damage, mine got damaged in shipping. You may have seen me with a hammer right there. Took a little damage, and so I just flattened that back out, but as you can see, it works fine. So, and honestly, when it's closed, you can't tell that there's any damage at all anyway. Take a look at that. Yeah, that's exactly what I needed. Exactly the right size, exactly the right height, right everything. These guys, Vevor, they remind me an awful lot of Harbor Freight in the beginning. Their new motto is tough tools for half the price, and this is, I would say, no exception. We bought a Gator brand, I think it was, one of these years ago. Cost about 3 times what this does, and that was pre-inflation, so I can't imagine what those things run these days. But for what this is and the amount of time it took to set up, which real time was maybe 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes, I would say I'm pretty happy with it. Anyway, I'll leave a link where you can pick your own up, and until next time, my friends, take care.